Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Display Settings right now. Click Start or press the Windows key and type Display Settings. You need to be logged in. You do not require admin rights to change night light. This step locates the toggle and relevant controls, and it's fast, so do it now. Once done, make sure your monitor is recognized and drivers aren't malfunctioning, because night light depends on standard color controls. Next, scroll to the night light controls to continue. Now enable night light by switching the toggle to on. This shifts blue light output to warmer tones for evening use. Click Night Light Settings to change the strength, use a percentage to control warmth, and pick a schedule. Either set exact from slash to times or choose sunset to sunrise for automatic adjustment. You should preview the change to confirm comfort. If you prefer immediate effect, slide strength higher. If you need accuracy for color work, set a lower percentage and finish by saving the schedule and closing settings. The change is active immediately on most systems. If you don't see night light, restart Windows and check for updates, because missing or outdated graphics drivers often block the feature. Once restarted, make sure no third-party color management or RGB utilities are overriding system controls. Temporarily disable them to test. If problems persist, run Windows Update and reinstall the display driver. That troubleshooting tip, update drivers first, fixes most night light visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.